got so much data these days, it's nearly impossible for one person to digest all of that information by themselves. With the world going the way that it is, and people are expected to do a lot more with less human resources, we absolutely need tools like LinePulse to help us to be able to digest that information. In a lot of cases, our expertise resides at world headquarters or one of the engineering offices, and having a tool like LinePulse where they can just log in and go see what's going on in an operation that's 1,000 miles away, there's a lot of advantages to that.
LinePulse is a game changer for me, knowing that we can quickly look at a facility in Mexico and Dry Ridge at the same time and say, yep, it seems like we're running well, we're producing good parts. We've given an opportunity not only to our Fort Wayne facility to improve their internal processes, but we also have the ability for the receiving plants to view a genealogy list that goes from the parts being initially produced in Fort Wayne all the way through to the NVH tests in Toledo.
We use LinePulse here at Fort Wayne for data collection for our pre-approval part process. We use it for quality improvement actions and then also for investigations if we have a quality near miss, and then scrap reduction.
We're using LinePulse, reacting to customer issues from our sister plants. We can react much faster. The data is live. We can go back through any time period and look at the runs from the information our plants provide back to us. We can look at trends, look for issues that they're seeing.
Toledo producing closer to 98, 99%, or even 97% FTT is just a pure impact to the Dana bottom line. We've reduced scrap rates, we've reduced the number of components being thrown out or recycled. LinePulse is a game changer, at least since I've been in the industry.
LinePulse fits perfectly within what we're trying to do with our digital transformation here at Dana.
Excited to see what else LinePulse can do for us. It's done so much so far, and I'm really excited to see where we can go with it.